Woodworking joints are the foundation of any woodworking project, as they hold pieces of wood together to create sturdy structures. In this video, we will discuss 5 basic woodworking joints that every beginner should know. This joint is great for beginners because it is easy to create and can be used in various projects like frames, boxes, and simple furniture. A lap joint is a step up from the butt joint in terms of strength and complexity. In this joint, 2 pieces of wood overlap each other, with one or both pieces having a recess cut out to accommodate the other piece. The lap joint is stronger than the butt joint because it creates a larger surface area for glue or fasteners. The mortise and tenon joint is a classic woodworking joint known for its strength and durability. It involves fitting a tenon, a protruding piece of wood, into a mortise, a corresponding hole or slot, in another piece of wood. The mortise and tenon joint is often used in furniture making, cabinetry, and other woodworking projects where a strong and stable joint is required. Dovetail joints are known for their interlocking design and high resistance to being pulled apart. They consist of a series of trapezoidal-shaped pins and tails that fit together to form the joint. The dovetail joint is often used in drawer construction and fine furniture making due to its strength and aesthetic appeal. A miter joint is created by joining 2 pieces of wood together at an angle, typically 45 degrees, to form a corner. The miter joint is commonly used in picture frames, molding, and other decorative projects where a neat and attractive joint is desired. This joint is ideal for beginners looking to create projects with clean and visually appealing corners,